ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give an update. Actually, this is my second update for today. If we revert to my last video, when the price was here, we mentioned the best is the price, we get a bigger correction, at least the price to drop and break this low before we look for buy. As you can see, the price giving us a correction. Okay, now when we're looking at this, even we have for other charts, we have the three waves inside, internal with this and here. Okay, now what we think, I think if the price drop one more, break this low, then we will have this correction in relative to this and for this. Then from there can give us a better trade setup. We can look for buy internally and having a trade above the top, because the way it's moving is not really is very corrective. That's why still we can expect the price to drop one more. At least then from there we can confirm, okay, this is a correction in relative to this and one more drop. We can confirm this one is this correction is almost finished. Then from there we look for buy. But how about if the price from here continue? I think the best way, the only way, having entry above this. And again, having entry above the top, we want the price tag and continue. If the price tag and we see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade. Then because it's, in that case, we will have 1, 2, 3, then the price can drop. We will have a flat for next continuation. Okay, still, there is no much changes. If the price break the low, can give us a better confirmation. But if we want to trade aggressive, we can have a entry above the top. Okay, but we need to be quite aware that may the price tag and reverse. And then another option, if you want to don't have a, I don't, I mean, if you don't want to have entry above the top, let's, for example, the price continue. The only way is let the price continue, break this top, the next correction or flag, then from there we can look for buy. Okay, and even if we move to forward chart, this is what we can see from the forward chart. If this one become a corrective, still we can expect one more down. This is what we explain in on 1 hour chart. And how about the 15-minute? And as we can see, based on 15-minute, this is the 1, 2, 3, and we have this. The next move can be this. The only way is if there is a correction here, okay, maybe we can have entry above this or wait for the breakout for second correction. Then from there we look for buy. Can we buy here if we get a correction? I think it's better to have entry above the top. By the way, we don't have a really good trade setup, and still we think if the price drop to finish this correction can give us a better opportunity rather than buying here. By the way, we just follow the chart. If you see any changes or any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.